Okay, everyone. Today we're going to be trying out the Petro Super Wash in Bolton on Highway 50 and Kingsgate Road here. But we are not at the car wash yet. We are at the Shoppers Drug Mart that is across the street here. So yeah, we're just getting some eggs because we were in the area and we have to go to Shoppers and visit the closest Shoppers. So we're going to get some eggs here and stuff like that. So yeah. The car hasn't been washed for a while, and once again, this is going to be the Superworks wash. If you look behind me, see the red building? That's the Petro I'm talking about. It's going to be a tunnel wash, so I have a feel that it's going to be a tunnel wash, so it's going to be a MacNeil tunnel. I've never been here before. And this is the only car wash left I have to do to complete the town of Bolton, because there's only 2 car washes in Bolton. The Canadian Tire with the Oasis Typhoon that I visited in 2019, and the Petro that I'm about to visit now. You can see here we got the ticket all ready to go. We got it a while ago. We got it on half price. You can see here, and the ticket's going to expire in a month. So yeah, that's basically what's happening and stuff like that. I'm in my own car. And like I said, this thing hasn't been washed for a few weeks. So yeah, I'm going to show you how dirty the car is. Let's go check it out. So the car is really dirty here. Tires. Trunk. Like it's all dust. Back windshield is really dirty. And same with this here by the right side of the bumper. We'll see if we can get all the dirt off. Headlights are dirty too. Same with the grill, the hood, stuff like that. So yeah, let's get back in. So yeah. Hopefully it goes well. Hopefully it gets this car cleaned. And like I said, this is going to be the Superworks wash. And there's already a difference between the price between the Canadian Tire and the Petro Canada. The Canadian Tire that I visited like in 2019 was $13.49, and right here and the Petro Canada is $13.99 because all the Petro Canada Super Washes has that. So the Canadian Tire is cheaper than the Petro Canada. But will it do the same of a job or much better? We're about to find out. So yeah, I'm going to pause it for now until we get to the car wash. We're just, like I said, across the street. Alrighty, you can kind of see what the tunnel looks like here. You can see some brushes going. That's a MacNeil tunnel, like I said, with 4 brushes, and I believe they have MacNeil Tech Tray 1 dryers. Yep, they do, because I see it in the window. So yeah, hopefully it goes well, and hopefully the wash will do a great job as always. So yeah, I'm going to pause it for now because there's a little bit of a lineup. Alrighty, we are about to go on the conveyor belt. You can see here, he has his brakes on. Oh, now he took them off. Now he is good. Already, it says I can go, but I'm going to just take it easy on. There's a lot of cars behind me, so always take my time going through the tunnel. This one doesn't have a super firm, you can see here. Alrighty, it's in neutral. Turns off the brake. Scan this.
Please put your vehicle in neutral. Vehicle has been authorized. Thank you for visiting Petro.
Alright, and this is a Superworks wash you can see here. And this one surprisingly doesn't have a new super firm because there's supposed to be LED lights. So yeah, hopefully it goes well. was a really quick tunnel wash, that's for sure. Alrighty, where can I park? Because there's not a lot of places to park by the window. You can see here, there's a lot of cars being stopped there. Where else? Oh, I might as well pull up by the airs because there's apparently an air thing here you can see here. So yeah, back by the track. And that really didn't do that much. Just apply for tri-foam and the clear coat protective. So yeah, that's how I ever washed it. Okay, so the dryers kind of didn't do well here. The MacNeil dryers. Clean the tires, they cleaned off the dirt. Yeah, it didn't get up all... Like, the dryers didn't do well. They have a little bit of dirt here. Yeah, clean the tires, which is good. Looks like it didn't get up fat by the fender. Yeah, the window is not that great too. But not back down the back. So yeah. And let me go to the... Yeah, like I said, the top wash here is $13.99 you can see here, which is pretty pricey. So yeah, that's basically what this tunnel looks like. That's lovely. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below on that one. Overall, I don't think I recommend it because it was really short, that's for sure. It just didn't have a new super foam. And it seems like it's pretty basic for the tunnel, you can see here. And the windshields are like really wet, you can see here. It didn't even do a great job. Already after the wash, I see a little bit more spots coming on the windshield. So yeah, I really don't... Even though I cleaned the car really well, surprisingly, I think it should do more than the Superworks wash. And for $14.99, I don't think it's worth it. You better go off going to the Canadian Tire, which is down the street with a Oasis Typhoon. If you want to see the video, check that out. So yeah, that's basically the MacNeil tunnel at the Petro Super Wash in Bolton. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this car wash video as always. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this, and that will be it.